Meaning of effrontery.
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 Effrontery. Effrontery refers to the quality of being shameless or impudent, displaying a bold disregard for social norms or conventions. It is often associated with behavior that is disrespectful, presumptuous, or rude, and can be characterized by a lack of respect for others' feelings or beliefs. Individuals who display effrontery may be seen as arrogant or self-centered, and their actions may be viewed as offensive or inappropriate. In essence, effrontery involves a lack of consideration for others and a willingness to behave in a way that is socially unacceptable or morally wrong.